Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss the wave equation. First of all, I would like to introduce wave. Wave means disturbance in a medium that carry energy from one place to another. For example, water waves, sound waves, light waves, magnetic waves, electric waves, etc. Now, before starting the wave equation, you should have an idea about frequency and wavelength. So I would like to introduce frequency and wavelength first, then we will derive wave equation. What is frequency? Frequency means number of waves passing through a point per second. Means how many waves are passing through any point per second. It can be 1 wave per second, 2 waves per second, and so on. A unit of frequency is Hertz, symbol Hz. Wavelength means distance between two consecutive crest and trough. What is crest and what is trough? Let's see through a diagram. In this diagram, the highest point of the wave is crest and the lowest point of the wave is trough. Distance between two consecutive crest and trough, shown by these blue dots, is called wavelength. For example, this distance is measured as 2 meters. So the wavelength of this wave is 2 meter. So now we will derive wave equation. Statement is relationship between the speed, frequency and wavelength is known as wave equation. Speed is equals to frequency into wavelength. Symbol of speed is V, frequency F, wavelength lambda. So the final equation is V is equals to F lambda. For example, if we have a flag and we want to calculate the waves which pass through the flag in particular time. Let's suppose we say that 3 waves pass the flag in 1 second. So the frequency is 3 Hertz. And we say that each wave is 2 meter long. So the wavelength is 2 meter. Now we calculate the speed of the wave by the wave equation. Speed is equals to F lambda or V is equals to F lambda. V is equals to frequency is 3 Hertz, wavelength is 2 meter. So 3 into 2 is equals to 6. So we can say that the speed of the wave is 6 meter per second. Students, now I would like to conclude this topic by adding a statement that wave equation help us find out the speed of the wave if we are given with frequency and wavelength, or we can say that it is a relationship between 3 variables: speed, frequency and wavelength. If we have given with 2 variables, we can find out the third one easily by using the equation V is equals to F lambda. Thank you very much.